In this edition of Sailing Doodles, we continue to explore the hongs around Phuket, and then a barge crashes into us. Thank you to CharterCatamaran.com for supplying the boat that was crashed into, and it's not too late to sign up for the Sailing Doodles flotilla. We had spent the evening rafted up to some friends on another catamaran.
So we wrapped it up with those guys for the evening, and now we're gonna go to Koh Phanak or something like that, where they have some hongs. Hongs are like little caves that you swim in or take your dinghy in, so we're gonna do that.
There was no wind, so we were in for a day of motoring. We sailed from Koh Roy over to Koh Phanak, where there was a couple hongs and the barge crashed into us, and then down to Marina, where another disaster occurred.
All of it. Yes.
What does he got, squid? Was it shrimp?
Yeah. Yes, big prawn. Yeah. Beep, beep. Here you go. Thank you, thank you. See you. Bye. Bye, bye.
All right, so we're gonna go kayak over to those guys' boats, have some Bloody Marys, and then go into the hong, check that out, and then we're gonna go around the other side. There's another hong over there. Hong is like a water cave, right? So you go in there.
It has to be really cool because there's a lot of people already.
And we gotta find Laura's pants because she lost them last night.
I had a no pants party last night.
Yeah, so we gotta find them.
So we kayaked over to their boat and then loaded up in the dinghy to head to the hong.
Alright, so this is one of the hongs where you walk into, and it gets pretty dark in there, so this camera is supposed to have like infrared on it, so we'll see what happens.
Hey, woman. Huh.
Look who's coming. Come on, Bobby.
This is cool.
Hey, it's a penis. You see it?
Somebody carved a penis.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Or is that natural?
I don't know. Is it hand sculpted? I'm not sure.
Behind you.
Oh, it's alright, I got the night vision on.
I wish I didn't bring anything. Ow.
Yeah. Oh, it's dark.
I mean,
I keep thinking of that Thai soccer team that got trapped underwater for a long time. They were in a cave, right, for months. Oh wow, we are coming to the other side.
remember those kids that got stuck in Thailand in a cave?
Мы были в парадисских пещерах, там надо пролезать.
Hello.
Oh, this is really cool.
This would be a great camping spot, babe.
But I'm sure this all floods at high tide, though. This is all in.
Yeah. What comes up?
So you'd have to camp on a raft.
It really was a pretty interesting place. If you stayed there too long, though, and the tide come up, you would be trapped.
I should have locked the gates. I should have thrown away the key. and I'll be fine.
So it's low tide right now, but when the tide comes up, all this is underwater by at least a couple feet sometimes. I mean, this high. You can see the high tide mark right there.
After the hong, it was back to the boat and time to cool off.
'Cause I've been under your spell. I flush it out to sea, and hope someday I can repel.
All right, we had fun at this hong. It was really cool, and then we're gonna go around the other side of the island. There's a couple more hongs, and we're gonna do that. So we're heading out right now.
You're causing all the troubles buried in my head. What was I supposed to do? Was barely standing when you fell into my arms again. You fell into my...
Our South African friends really know how to party and how to relax.
Been through all this before. Born with a silver spoon and crown. You see an open door and feel free to run me down.
At the next hong, we took the kayaks in.
Even if we wake the dead, you're causing all the troubles buried in my head.
The caves can be pretty deep, and it was very dark by the time we saw the light at the end of this tunnel.
Was barely standing when you fell into my arms again. You fell into my arms.
Whatever you do, do not go out of the kayak.
Do not get out of the kayak?
Stupid muddy. If that was an alligator, I'd want to live here. This is probably one of the coolest spots I've ever been.
It is pretty muddy looking.
I like it.
It looks extremely muddy.
It's like quicksand. You might die here.
Yeah. So no going ashore. Oh my gosh, that is so muddy.
Something moved over there.
Oh, nothing moved.
The ripples in the water.
I'm sure it's fish.
Oh my gosh, there's things alive in here, baby, swimming.
I'll go down that way a little.
I'm scared.
It's you can't really. I mean, I got my GoPro, so we can't really zoom in. But there's a ton of mud skippers, ton of crabs, and it's absolutely silent in here. Like, because there's almost no wind. You don't hear any boats. You don't hear any ocean noise. I haven't heard silence like this in a very long time. I have tinnitus, I think, because I hear ringing still. What are we doing?
So, they're putting down some moorings. Mystery solved.
So they're gonna put down some moorings, so they asked us to move our boat, so we're gonna move the boat. So we swam from over there back over here.
They asked us to move, but they were very impatient and didn't give us time to move, and this is when I started to get a little worried.
Yeah, we're not gonna have.
We were using fenders to keep their steel hull from absolutely destroying our fiberglass hull.
Put a fender up there, Laura. Jesus Christ. I mean, what in the hell was that? That was ridiculous.
What the f was that?
All right, let's pull up the anchor. Let's just do it. That was the most irresponsible bit of boating I've ever seen, like firsthand. I mean, if we
almost ripped to shreds our boat.
If we hadn't have been there to throw out fenders,
We
it
swam
absolutely.
to our boat. What if I didn't swim with you and
know.
you were alone? There. Oh my God! I can't believe
It was
that
awful.
happened.
Like it would have totally just. I mean,
Destroyed it.
yeah. We luckily threw out fenders just in time. It was.
And our bodies, like
Yeah.
literally our bodies.
We managed to survive without any scratches or damages and decided to head back to the mainland.
Every day is snowing. Since I was told that you don't want me, but baby you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to it as to you, but I can't stand.
Guess what? They only had enough booze to make 3 drinks, and I got one.
No.
4 drinks.
That's all the booze you got left.
Well, your case of beers from last night was like nothing.
Gone, yeah.
In a frame, and this ain't just a game.
We need a nice ice cold pool. I hope it's cold. Oh, that looks so good. How is it? It's great.
That just happened. Ooh, that's nice.
How deep is it?
How deep is your love?
You scared me.
Oh, that's beautiful. Cool.
No, they're over there. That's him. Jesus.
Babe. Hi.
So,
Fantastic sunset.
yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Hey, say hi to Jack. Didn't really have time to get into it there, but a big storm just came through. We filmed a little bit of it. Well, a squall. It was a squall, a small squall.
Over my boat just blowing 34 knots max.
24 knots, that's it.
24.
And then the boat drug way over here. Scary, scary. I thought we were screwed. It's the first time in my sailing career that we've drugged like this.
There.
Oh.